Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial video. Today we will learn how to retouch portrait shot in Photoshop 2023. So first go to filter from the menu bar. Now click on neural filter. Enable the skin smoothing filter. Then enable the smart portrait filter. Click the OK button to exit. Again go to filter from the menu bar. Click on the camera raw filter. Go to the basic section. From here, increase the exposure as needed. Then increase the shadow to +50. Increase white to +50 or whatever you need. Increase vibrance to +11. This part is done. Then click on the masking icon. Go to the people section. Wait a while. Now click on the picture. Select facial skin from here. Then select body skin. Click on create button. Go to the light section. Increase the exposure as need. Then increase the shadow a bit to +10. Reduce black to -11 or as low as you need. Go to the color section. Reduce the temperature to -7. Then go to the effect section. Reduce the texture to -29. Reduce clarity to -40. Increase the sharpness to +40. Click on the create new mask button. Click on select people. Select lips. Click on create button. Click on color box from the color section. Select the lips color of your choice. Click on the OK button. Now go to the effect section. Increase texture to +30. Click the OK button to exit. This is the photo after editing. Thanks for watching the video.